Hi everyone, this is Daleen, and for today's video, I'm going to make my honest review, first impression on the newest or the latest collection of Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, which is the Face Card Collection. Initially, I wanted to make my review on TikTok, but I realized na sobrang madaldal ako and ayokong ma-restrain sa mga sasabihin ko. So, might as well just do it here on YouTube. And if this is your first time seeing me, hello, my name is Daleen and I do reviews of different things. I will be making a review about the Get Ready With Me face card collection. So it's an extensive collection, and I would also say it's like a comeback for their... To me, it's a comeback of the Mega collection. If you can still remember these palettes kung saan, ayan, pwede nyo siyang i-pop out, ganyan. But I have issues with this palette. To me, it's not the best kasi as you can see, ayan no, wala naman akong ginagawa pero nagpa-pop out siya mag-isa. So I'm so glad na nag-release sila ng mga inserts. So again, this is not new in the local scene. This type of idea, mechanism isn't new. We've seen this locally through Izzy's mga inserts nila, eyeshadow inserts nila. But yeah, today I have my thoughts. Some are first impression, some I have thoughts already. So, let's talk about the collection. So, for sure, if katulad ko kayo na nagre-research muna before, buying yung mga products, the very first or the most common word kapag nagre-release si Get Ready With Me is it's overwhelming. But in my case, because I guess may different way ako on how I see a mega collection. Like I see it by batches or parang by clusters. As you can see here, nilipat ko na siya dito. Because initially, hindi ako sold sa idea na ganito. Yung apatan lang. Although, you can put more because there are sizes naman. For example, for the shadow play, you can place 4 shadows per ganito. For me, it's too limiting yung palette nilang ganito because napaka-extensive nung collection. So, if you want to have this as like your go-to for everything, masyado siyang limiting. To me, it's not practical because for the same amount, for $4.99, I guess ito nabili ko to around $5.50-ish. I would rather go with this one. Kasi as you can see, nalagay ko na most ng nabili ko and I still have space. Nagigets ko din naman na, for palettes like this, maybe if gusto mo lang ng very on the go or talagang magiging wise ka lang sa ilalagay mong palette, then yes, I can see why ganito lang yung size at saka ganito. I'll show you yung palette ko later on. By the way, just a disclaimer, I don't have or I don't remember all the exact names. I will put it somewhere here para lang kung gusto nyo rin siyang kunin, at least you have a reference. First off, I have these. This is like their flexible base, parang ganon. So, it's cream type. And nagamit ko na to. It wouldn't work as like a foundation because it's too thick. Even if with someone na super duper oily, it's just too thick. But this would work if you want to be like a spot concealer. But of course, before putting that, you have to color correct muna. So, I have this 2 color correctors. Ito yung parang green beige nila, and this one, I will also put it here. This is my first time using a cream-based na color corrector. Hindi ako believer ng cream-based color corrector, but I think I discovered how to make it work. So, mag-color correct muna tayo. As you can see, I don't have much discoloration under my eye. Pero, grabe ako mag-hyperpigmentation pagdating sa mga acne marks ko. So, you can see here, ayan, Lalo na dito, sobrang prone kong magka-pimple here, kaya grabe yung discoloration dyan. So, for this one, na-try ko na tong orange corrector. Kaya lang, hindi siya ganun ka-effect dahil maitim talaga to. So, I think yung mas orange pa dito yung mas papatok. Pero just to show you, lagay ko siya dito sa under eye. Gusto lang nating mag-color correct. It instantly corrected. And then, I am just using my finger kasi yung warmth ng finger, mas nakaka-help din siya para mag-melt yung cream nyo. Na-try ko na rin to using a brush and okay naman din siya. Just to show you, if I try to put it sa ganito ka-itim na dark mark, ayan. Nako-color correct niya naman pero nagpipick through pa rin. So, mas maganda talaga kung yung mas orange pa dito. Buildable naman. Ayan. Na-cover niya na. Kahit papano. Ayan. And then, here on this part naman, madalas akong magkaroon ng, ayan, pamumula dito. So, ganun din. Lalagyan ko din siya nitong green beige. Fan ako nitong green beige nila. In fact, meron din ako nito nung nasa tube. Ang tip ko lang, huwag niyo i-overdo itong step na to because it has a tendency to cake. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng ganitong brush. This is from Teviant. So, try ko lang ulit gumamit ng orange and then pat ko lang ulit dito. Ayan. So, buildable naman siya. Ito, merong pamumula dito kasi may acne ako dito. So, takpan na din natin yan. Dito. Another orange naman for dito naman. Just to cover nga. Yan. So, medyo na-correct na natin siya. Hahayaan lang nating mag-set yan. So, for the meantime, gagawin ko lang yung kilay ko. And of course, I'm still using the Get Ready With Me Brow Lift. Ito pa yung OG packaging nila and super duper favorite pa rin talaga to. Ayan. So, ganyan lang. Tapos, hayaan lang natin siyang mag-set. I won't use this one as my foundation because it's too thick. Gagamitin ko lang to. Ayan. As concealer. Huwag niyo siyang i-overdo kung ayaw niyong mag-crease. Ganun din, lalagyan na lang din natin yung mga kinolor correct natin. Dabbing motion. Switch lang ako dito sa strokes na number 03 para i-buff and i-diffuse. So, idadrag ko na lang din kung ano yung natitira dun sa mga part na meron tayong imperfection. Hindi ko goal na maging super duper plakado, but I just want na mag-even out yung skin ko. Para lang mag-melt siya, I'm gonna use this Daba First Spray Serum. Wala akong kinuhang cream contour, cream bronzer because I still like this Glam and Go sticks in cream brulee. Super nice ng formula. Dugyutin lang pero this works really well. Kukuha lang ako ng kaunti and then ayan. I-bronze ko lang ng kaunti yung face ko para hindi naman super flat. And then over here, yun na rin gagamitin kong cream contour. Since nakaset na rin yung face ko, mag-proceed na ako with, siguro, with my blush on first. Later na ako maglalagay ng bronzer. So, for my blush on, I have 3 formulation. So, ito yung kanilang Mochi blush. I think this is in the shade Teddy. This is the cream blush. And then, this one is basically the powder. Let's swatch first yung kanilang Mochi blush. And, upon first dib, very creamy siya, but it turns to a powder. Sabi ko nga, this one is perfect for you kung gusto mo yung very diffused, very soft na blush. Yan, ganyan siya. Ganda ng shade na to. Gamitin muna natin si Mochi blush. Yan, kumuha lang ako using this brush from Happy Skin X Marge. Nalagay ko lang siya dito, just a little bit close to my eye. And dito ko lang siya ifo-focus. Whatever yung natira, idadrag ko siya ng kaunti, palabas and papasok. See? It's so nice. Ang ganda ng lapat nito sa skin. And then, gawin din natin on the other side. Just a little bit. So, it's very natural looking. Diba? And then, para lang may dimension, tatawid tayo dito sa kanilang cream blush. Again, I'll put the exact name and the shade. Super nice nito, lalo na kung very natural na atake lang yung gusto mo. So, ganun ulit, kaunti lang, and then dito lang sa gitna. Para mas mukhang sun-kissed. Ayan, dagdag pa natin ng kaunti. Para mas mukhang sun-kissed, lagyan nyo na rin yung dito nyo. Tsaka dito sa temples. Not temples, pero dito sa part ng forehead. Before I put yung powder, I'll be using their Brontour powder. So, this one is in the shade Mochaccino ata. So, it's this one. Okay, and then, just a little bit. Yan, blend lang natin. Papasadahan ko yung ilong ko. Para lang mag-set yung nilagay natin cream. Yun din yung natutunan ko before. Ang kinukuha kong mga bronzer or contour shade, yung very exact. But the thing is, kapag binibuild mo siya, parang nagiging strong siya sa feature ko. Unlike if I get something lighter and then I try to build it up, mas soft pa din yung kinalalabasan niya. Royal Flush powder. Alam mo, hindi ko talaga maalala. But I'm gonna put the powder, basically the blush powder. Yan. Ito yung shade na to. Ang ganda-ganda nito, as in, very diffused, very, ano bang, parang desaturated, yun yung tamang term. This is a desaturated blush. So, using my Jelly Eugenio X Visco brush in 01, I'm just gonna get this. And I don't mind being generous kasi nga, light to. So, to be safe, pwede namang ilagay mo siya dito and then, yan, intensify mo yung blush mo. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng shade na to. Nakaka-fresh lang siya. So, if you don't wanna get the Mochi, the cream blush, kahit yung powder blush lang na to, sobrang ganda. Specifically, the shade. Normally, hindi na ako nag-highlighter kasi sobrang oily ko. Kung may factory ng mantika, ako yun. But for this look, I just wanna try out their Bake highlighter and this is in the shade Tala. Nako guys, grabe, nire-rave tong shade na to. Kaya sobrang curious din ako. I want to see how it will perform. So, I'm just gonna use this Maurice Joffrin na brush. So, just a little bit. Hindi ko na muna siya tatanggalin kasi papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko i-build yung palette ko later. But, let's see. Wait lang. Ayan. Wow. Ang ganda nung pagka-highlighter niya. Parang wet lang. Hindi siya harsh kung ma-pores ka. Hindi rin siya nagkikling sa mga anik-anik ko dyan. So, that's nice. And parang kahit mag-overboard ka dito, forgiving pa rin. So, lagyan natin yung ilong. Ay, ang perf. Lagyan din natin tong part na to. Ang ganda nito kung gusto mo yung very, parang very heart evangelista yung skin mo. Tapos wala ka nung mga tapos wala kang pondo pang inject, diba? Perfect. So, ayan. But naturally, you can see na sobrang oily ko. Like, over here, ayan. Nagpipeek through na talaga yan. So, with that being said, magsaset pa rin tayo before natin gamitin yung isang type of powder nila. So, I'm using this Airset Matte Powder Fixer in the shade Pretzel. So, ayan. Gagamit lang ako ng ganitong powder brush. Ano to guys, ma-fall out. So, ingat lang kayo dyan. Ayan. Ay, ang blurring. Perfect. Let's see dito. Ito, nakikita niyo, nag-oil up na yan. Ay, ang perf. Parang ang ganda nitong pang retouch. Ayan o. Tanggalin natin yung oil dyan. I think what I'll do next is my eyeshadow. Hindi ako ma-eyeshadow. I mean, you can see that my EC palette, it's barely used. Na-scratch na lang yan, but it's barely used. So, nagtataka din ako, bakit gusto ko pang bumili ng eyeshadow? Well, to be fair, maraming magagandang shades si Get Ready With Me na wala kay Issy. And the Frost, isang reason din kung bakit sobrang nanggigil ako nung nakita ko yung mga shades ni Get Ready With Me. Kasi maraming shades dito na parang very pang Korean palette. And hindi yun yung mga shades or hindi ako madalas nadodrawn sa ganong shades because people say if you're warm, you can't use mga pinks, mga ganyan. But this time, I want to just explore and see if I could make it work. If not, then sayang. So, ayun. Like what I said, hindi ko naman kayang bilhin lahat yun, no? Kasi ang dami-dami yata nung shades na yun. But so far, ito yung mga nakuha kong shades. So, ayan siya. I don't know if I should. Hindi na ako magsaswatch, guys, unless gusto nyo, maybe for a different video. So, it would be hard for me to take it out and put it back. So, I'll just try to point and see if I can put kung ano yung gagamitin kong color. But, for this one, it's very simple. It's for those people na hindi marunong mag-eyeshadow, especially with cool tones. So, like what I said, mag-explore lang tayo. So, I guess I'm just gonna use this shade, over here. Para lang, oh, wait. May nakalimutan ako. Meron pala ako nitong eyeshadow booster nila in earth tone. And I didn't pay for this. This one is free. So, perfect siya. Tapos, lalagay lang natin yan para lang mas maganda yung kulay ng eyeshadow natin. Now that nakapag eyeshadow booster na tayo, going back to this shade, kunin lang natin to. Then, let's set this para maganda yung canvas natin. I wanna try this. So, kung i-try tong pink na to, by the way, may kickback tong mga powder nila. Pero, in terms of application, okay naman. You can see na maganda yung pickup sa brush. Madali din siyang i-blend. And even using your finger, it would work. And then, siguro gagamitan ko lang nitong shade na to. I think this one I can remember. It's in the shade Love. So, and then I'm just gonna drag it and blend it out. So, using the same shade na ginawa nating as base, gaganin lang ako and then I'll just try to put it here under my eye. And this is my first time doing it using this one. I think this is taupe eh. Kukuha lang ako ng super duper light para lang, ipang emphasize ng aking baby eye bags. Siyempre maglagay tayo ng shimmer para pahak. I believe this one is a topper, so gamitin natin to just over here. Yan, para mukhang basa lang siya. And this one naman sa inner corner. Ay, grabe. Kita niyo yun. And then after that, I'm just gonna use my Superfine Liner Duo in the shade Dark Oat. Ito may issue ako, pero that's for another video. Sige, mag-curl na tayo. I'm just gonna use this Polish Supreme Curl or Curl Supreme. Gagamitin ko lang tong lash booster ni Get Ready With Me. I got this for free as well. So, guys, may perks din talaga kapag nag-iintay kayo ng mga sale or kapag may new launch, abangan nyo kung kailan yung date of launch nila. Kasi ang dami ring pakulo. So, that's that. I don't know if may nangyari, but this is supposed to be volumizing. Let me know kung may ganap. Wait, one more. Baka kailangan i-layer. This is supposed to be volumizing. This one, it's not volumizing. It's more on lengthening siya. I just wanna go back sa aking blush and then re-intensify it kasi you can never have enough blush. I'm just grabbing whatever is close here sa aking vanity. This is the Vice Cosmetics Soft Veil in Pinkerbell. Love, 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 love this shade. Very natural. I'm just gonna use this powder. They say it's supposed to be an alternative for the NARS reflecting powder. I don't know if tama man yun, but it's this one. Again, ilalagay ko na lang po kung ano yung exact name. It's supposed to bring back the glow sa iyong face. So, para na rin siyang highlighter, pero powder siya. Ayun, no? Ang ganda niya kasi alam nyo, pag pinatong nyo na siya dun sa blush on nyo, alam nyo yung nagiging effect. Parang yung baked blush, ganun yung ganap niya. Hindi ko akalain na mai-inlove ako sa ganito kasi nga, oily akong tao, girl. So parang adding more glow is a sin. Ito talaga yung gusto kong ma-achieve lately. Yung very youthful, pero hindi pa rin mukhang mamantika. Kasi na-addict ako manood kay Miss Heart. And ganito talaga yung atake niya sa mga makeup niya. So after that, syempre, is-seal na natin. Naubos na lang yung Get Ready With Me setting spray ko. So I'm gonna use this Issy. This is also really good. Para lang, again, mag-seal and mag-lock yung ating makeup. Let's talk about this palette. I'm happy with the fact na Get Ready With Me is if not pioneering, at least making a move para makahelp sa ating environment. I know they've partnered with a local foundation, tama ba yun? Or NGO. I only have two issues. So first off, yun nga, with this palette, diba? It's really nice. Sobrang premium. Ang ganda-ganda. And thinking this is only $4.99. Again, this is $4.99. This is 500 something. Depende sa Lazada or sa Shopee. There's a big difference, okay? But then again, if you want something na easy to bring, obviously this is a better option, right? But my only concern is that, okay, so let's open it. My only concern is that, apat lang to, guys. So with 4 of these, ang nasa isip ko kasi, parang ang impression kasi sa akin is, gusto na parang ito na yung magiging go-to palette mo for everything. Pero, kung iisipin mo, isang orange corrector, isang green corrector, isang base, isang bronzer, isang blush, hindi mo pa nalagay yung powder, hindi mo pa nalalagay yung eyeshadow, ang dami mo pang hindi nalalagay. And realistically speaking, di ba pag umaalis ka, hindi lang naman isang blush yung dinadala mo. At least meron kang option. So in my case, kung gusto ko tong tatlong to, yung mochi, yung cream at saka yung powder, that's already 3 pan. And that will leave me 1 pan for, I don't know, either 4 shadows, 2 shadows, and a corrector. So, you get what I mean? Yun yung dilemma ko. Considering, hindi ko pa kinuha lahat. Wala pa ko yung mga cream bronzer, cream contour, wala pa ko nung mga pang kilay nila. So, in a way, for me, this is limiting. Okay? So, I do wish, in the future, kung maririnig man to ni Miss May, sana mag-release siya ng mas malaking pan. Because to me, I'd rather have one large pan, like maybe double the size of this, than 2 of this one. You know? Like, yun nga yung issue ko with this one eh. Kasi dahil gusto ko lahat ng shade dala-dala ko. 5 yung ganito ko, guys. Sobrang funny. Para akong makeup artist. Pero, diba? So, yun yung dilemma ko. Second thing is, so, ito nga, itong palette na to is $4.99, but you can actually get this for free. Actually, even this one, you can get these palettes, these empty palettes for free if you get their pre-made or their pre-selected or their curated, ayun, that's the right term, their curated palettes. So, sa eyeshadow, yung mga bases nila, parang, hindi siya fun kasi they are trying to push yung mga colors or mga combinations na maybe it wouldn't work or it's for like a specific ganap. For example, bridal. So, syempre, yung mga shades nun, very bridalish, ganon. Parang nakakasad lang kasi sayang yung opportunity to mix and match and get this for free. 'Di ba? I don't know. Sana in the future, magkaroon ng ganong deal na we can select kung ano talaga yung gusto namin and then get this for free because this is really nice. In fairness, it's really nice and like, look at them. The overall look, it's really nice. So, yun lang yung aking main concern. Sana talaga, yun lang yung wish ko, magawan ng paraan yon. So, anyway, enough of the I'm gonna make my own palette just to show you ano yung gagamitin ko or ano yung gagawin ko if it's me. If it's me, ilalagay ko tong powder na to. This is their Air Set powder. Okay ko siya dito. Okay. Is ano yung kailangan at lagi kong ginagamit kapag nag-office ako. So, powder. And then, I'll use a blush. Syempre yung blush. This is the powder blush, Royal Flush powder blush in the shade Sorbet. Parang bet ko ring maglagay ng bronzer. Kasi what if merong ganap ng gabi? Ano mo yun? Baka bigla ang may ganap. Again, this is in the shade Mochaccino. I'll be putting 4 na shadow. For the shadows, syempre maglagay tayo ng isang topper para naman meron tayong pang oomph. Okay, ayun. This is in the shade Approve. Okay. Syempre lagay tayo ng transition shade. At super nagustuhan ko tong shade na to. Who would have thought? This is the shade Pioneer. Lagay din natin to. Si Entourage because it could work as a contour, as an aegusal color. And one dark shade. Wala lang. Para lang may depth. This shade in the shade Bow. So, ito na yung palette ko. Customized palette ko. And super nice. On to my final thought. Personally, I have a love-hate relationship with Get Ready With Me because from the very beginning, nandun na talaga ako. I've always been supporting them every time I release. Yung pagiging ADHD ko, as in, I really want to get everything. But along the way, nagkakaroon ng mga reason kung bakit ako nade-disappoint. Like, you know, with the constant changes with either the formulation or the packaging. While, I understand na they're for improvement. I mean, you can just imagine na minsan nakaka-frustrate kasi you could have gotten a better option, but then dahil hindi ko alam, minadali pa yung product research or talagang hindi lang siya lumalabas, yung mga sakit-sakit ng mga packaging, nakakapanghinayang gastusan, right? But I do love them. I really believe in the product. In fact, the last collection before this was 100% approved. Maybe 99% because, again, I have an issue with this thing. But so far, I think this collection is a mega upgrade with the mega collection. So, super nice siya. And so far, hindi ako nakakakita ng panghihinayang with everything. It's a matter of knowing how to use the product and familiarizing as well with the formulation. So, give yourself some time and, you don't have to get everything right away. Pwede naman siyang unti-untiin until makita mo if it's really worth it or not. But so far, even some of the things here, first time ko nagamit, like the air set, air set with the powder, the finishing powder. But that powder, it's really nice. So far, I can say this is worth trying. If you're someone who wants to experiment, I think you should give this collection a try. But again, be smart with your spending and try to get kung ano lang yung kailangan nyo. So, ayun. Sana naging helpful itong video na to para makadecide kayo what to get or whether you're getting the collection or not. So, yeah, thank you so much you guys for staying and watching this video. If meron kayong request, please try to comment down below and let's see kung kakayanin ng budget for the one para mabili natin because, ayun, everything that I reviewed came from my hard-earned money. So, thank you so much for watching mga kumare and please do not forget to click the like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe ka na rin kung gusto mo pang makakita ng mga videos like this. Thank you so much and until our next video, bye!